What comes to mind for me is when UA and I started this, we thought that when we started Dateable, we thought every story would be about, two people dating, meeting each other, finding their person. As UA said, that could change over time. And what we've realized is that dating is actually so much more about ourselves than the other people. We're always
Mm,
thinking about the people that ghosted us or the people that rejected us, but ultimately, it's really coming back to our own fear of abandonment or our own worthiness of a relationship. And that's why dating is so difficult. It's not, yes, it's hard to find someone that you mesh with. I don't want to undermine that. But what's really challenging is that we take it so personally, in that it really is a mirror of our own state. Because when you think about it, dating is the most personal thing in the world. You could equate it to a job interview, and sure, of course, if you don't get a job, it hits your self esteem in some ways. But at the core of dating, you're asking someone to be with you, to love you.
mhm.
That's a lot.